Warm greetings to all travel enthusiasts out there. Today, we venture into an often overlooked African gem, Niger. Nestled in the heart of West Africa, Niger offers a stunning canvas of contrasts. Imagine a place where the intense aridity of the Sahara Desert meets the lush greenery of the Niger River Valley. This landlocked nation is a trove of diverse landscapes, each more enchanting than the last. From the golden dunes of Tenere, a part of the Sahara's expanse, to the verdant banks of the Niger River, the country's lifeline, Niger's scenery is nothing short of extraordinary. Its geographical diversity doesn't stop there, with the striking peaks of the Air Mountains and the vibrant wildlife in the W National Park adding to its charm. But words can only do so much justice. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to experience the best of Niger's breathtaking scenery. First stop, we find ourselves amidst the vast, majestic Sahara Desert. This grand expanse is not just sand and heat, but a symphony of nature's extremes. Stretching across 3/4 of Niger, the Sahara is an ocean of sand dunes, a canvas painted with hues of gold and amber. It's a realm where the wind is the artist, constantly reshaping the landscape, creating dunes that reach for the sky then vanish, only to be reborn elsewhere. Imagine standing atop one of these towering dunes at sunrise. As the first rays of light peek over the horizon, they ignite the desert in a glorious blaze of color. From the deepest orange to the softest pink, it's a sight that would leave you breathless. And as the day fades away, the setting sun paints the sky with a palette of purples and blues, giving way to a starlit spectacle that's second to none. In the heart of this vast expanse, you'll find oasis towns like Timia, a haven of greenery amidst the golden dunes. Here, date palms sway gently in the breeze, and water springs forth from the earth, a testament to life's resilience in such harsh conditions. These oasis towns are not just a respite from the desert, but a cultural melting pot where nomadic tribes have traded and shared stories for centuries. Yet, the Sahara is more than just a physical landscape. It's an experience, a feeling. It's the silence that envelops you, broken only by the whistle of the wind. It's the sense of insignificance you feel standing before its monumental dunes, reminding you of nature's grand scale. It's the warmth of the Saharan people, their hospitality a beacon of light in this vast desert. The Sahara, a place of solitude and grandeur, truly is a spectacle to behold. Leaving the desert behind, we now step into the wild heart of Niger, the W National Park. Nestled between Niger, Burkina Faso, and Benin, this park is a treasure trove of biodiversity and a sanctuary for many endangered species. This park is home to a magnificent array of wildlife. Imagine walking through the verdant savanna and coming across herds of graceful African elephants, their ivory tusks gleaming in the sun. Picture yourself scanning the horizon only to spot a pride of majestic lions lounging lazily. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the elusive leopard, a creature of striking beauty and power. But it's not just about the big cats and giants of the savannah. W National Park is a birdwatcher's paradise, boasting over 350 bird species. From the vibrant colors of the Abyssinian roller to the imposing silhouette of the martial eagle, the park provides a feast for the eyes and the soul. W National Park is also a champion of conservation. The park's management is committed to preserving this unique ecosystem and its inhabitants. Through their efforts, they ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to marvel at these creatures in their natural habitat, just as we do today. Furthermore, the park is engaged in various initiatives to promote sustainable tourism. By encouraging visitors to respect the environment and the wildlife, they are playing a crucial role in preserving this piece of paradise. As you traverse the park, you'll notice that it's not just a wildlife sanctuary, but also a haven of stunning landscapes. From the meandering Niger River to the lush vegetation that carpets the ground, every vista is a masterpiece of nature's artistry. So, whether you're an animal lover, a bird-watching enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, W National Park has something to offer you. Its rich biodiversity, commitment to conservation, and breathtaking landscapes make it a destination that's well worth exploring. With its abundant wildlife and stunning landscapes, W National Park is a must-visit for nature lovers. Next, we journey along the lifeline of Niger, the mighty Niger River. This river, the third longest in Africa, winds its way through 5 nations before emptying into the Atlantic Ocean. But it is in Niger that the river truly comes alive, serving as an essential lifeline for both human and wildlife communities. Imagine vast stretches of arid Sahel transforming into vibrant, verdant landscapes as the river flows by. The Niger River is not just a body of water, it's a cradle of life, nurturing agriculture and providing sustenance to the local communities. From the banks, one can witness smallholder farmers tilling their fertile lands, reaping the benefits of the river, and fishermen casting their nets, hopeful for a generous catch. Alongside the human inhabitants, the river also hosts a unique array of riverine flora and fauna. The riverbanks and islands are home to dense forests, a stark contrast to the surrounding Sahelian scrubland. These forests in turn provide shelter and sustenance to an array of wildlife. From the elegant herons and egrets that grace the sky to the formidable hippos and crocodiles that rule the water, the Niger River offers a wildlife spectacle like no other. With the river's ebb and flow, it shapes and reshapes the landscape, creating a dynamic environment that constantly adapts and evolves. Each bend in the river, each island that sprouts from its heart, reveals a different facet of Niger's rich biodiversity. It's a living, breathing entity that continues to shape the lives and landscapes around it. But the river is also a symbol. It's a symbol of resilience, of life persisting amidst the harsh Sahel. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of the people and wildlife that call this region home. The Niger River, a ribbon of life in the Sahel, offers a different shade of Niger's scenic beauty. Finally, we ascend into the mysterious yet captivating Air Mountains. This range, nestled in the heart of Niger, is a dramatic sweep of rugged landscapes that seem to defy the arid Saharan plains surrounding it. It's like stepping into another world, one sculpted by the relentless forces of nature over millions of years. The Air Mountains rise majestically, their peaks piercing the clear azure sky. They are a labyrinth of sandstone plateaus interspersed with deep valleys and high cliffs. But it's not just their physical grandeur that makes these mountains awe-inspiring. They are also a canvas for one of the world's most significant collections of prehistoric rock art. These ancient etchings, some dating back over 6,000 years, offer a glimpse into the lives of our distant ancestors. They depict a fascinating array of animals, humans, and abstract symbols, a silent testament to the region's rich history and cultural heritage. But these mountains are not just relics of the past. They are alive with the vibrant culture of the Tuareg communities. Known as the Blue People for their indigo-dyed garments, the Tuareg have adapted to the harsh mountainous environment in remarkable ways. Their nomadic lifestyle, their music echoing through the valleys, and their vibrant festivals add a layer of cultural richness to the natural beauty of the Air Mountains. Beyond the history and culture, the Air Mountains also offer a cool respite from the desert heat. The higher altitudes provide a refreshing change, with temperatures often dipping significantly compared to the surrounding lowlands. It's an unexpected oasis, a tranquil retreat amid the relentless sun and sand. The Air Mountains, with their rugged beauty and rich history, are a testament to Niger's scenic diversity. They serve as a reminder that even in the most challenging environments, life finds a way to not just survive but to thrive, creating a world of beauty and wonder that continues to captivate us to this day. From vast deserts to lush parks, from a life-giving river to rugged mountains, Niger's scenic beauty is as diverse as it is captivating. We've journeyed through the Saharan Charm, a vast and awe-inspiring landscape that whispers tales of endurance and survival. We've explored the W National Park, a wildlife paradise that is a testament to nature's bounty. We've sailed along the Niger River, the lifeline of the Sahel, and marveled at its critical role in sustaining life. And we've scaled the Air Mountains, Niger's hidden gems, revealing the country's rugged, unspoiled beauty. Each area, unique in its own right, offers an experience that leaves an indelible impression on the heart. We hope you enjoyed this scenic journey through Niger. Do let us know which part of the world you'd like us to explore next. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more of these travel experiences to you. Until next time, keep exploring.